Your HD5T load bars are designed to be tough, reliable and easy to install under your cattle crush. Before you get started, make sure you have ready lifting equipment to lift your crush. 16 galvanised bolts with nylock nuts of diameter 12mm or 7/16 if you're working in inches. These bolts must be long enough to reach through the crush and load bar mounting plates. A power drill and a masonry drill bit. Hammer. Socket set. Adjustable spanner. A level. Plastic casing or conduit for the weigh scale indicator cable. Cable ties. A fully charged and upgraded Tru-Test weigh scale indicator. Make sure the concrete pad is level. Lift the crush so that one load bar can be positioned underneath. Be careful not to drop the crush onto the load bars. Slide the load bar underneath the crush and align the holes of the load bar mounting plates to the crush's holes. Slowly lower the crush so that it almost touches the load bars and fasten with the bolts, first at one end and then the other. Lower the crush the rest of the way onto the load bars. Lift the other end of the crush just enough to slide the second load bar underneath and repeat the installation. Use the anchor bolts to fasten the load bar feet onto the concrete, first on one side and then the other. Feed the weigh scale indicator cable through the plastic casing or conduit and attach it to the crush with cable ties. Connect the cables to the weigh scale indicator and power it on. Test a weight at one end of the crush and take a reading. Test the same weight at the other end of the crush and check they agree. Check the indicator returns to 0 when the crush is empty. If you have trouble getting a stable weight, there are a few things you can check. That your weigh scale indicator has been upgraded to the latest software, that the load bars are installed on a level concrete pad, that the load bars are correctly aligned to the crush, that the crush is cleared of any dirt or debris, there is no moisture in the weigh scale indicator connectors, and that the cable is free from damage. For more installation information, check out the HD5T Load Bar Quick Start Guide.